many of you received a bay leaf in your bowl? One, two. There's a good little custom in my home growing up. You get a bay leaf, you do the dishes, y'all are gonna have a lot of fun.
Hi, I'm John Davis. I'm the chef de cuisine at St. Leo in Oxford, Mississippi. Most of my family originates from Sardis, Mississippi, but I was born and raised in Memphis. But during the summers, they would send me to the country. One of my earliest memories is a family reunion and cleaning catfish with my great-grandmother Lomi, and we'd make this stew.
It was a dish that my grandmother would make, when she was in a hurry. Getting off of work, need to do something in 30, here it is. But for me, it was always so special because, it wasn't made very often. But every time we had it, I would eat 3 bowls. She used to tell me to breathe while I chewed, and I never do it.
Got some good catfish from Heartland, from Itabina. Got some good okra from a local farm near Oxford. We get the okra and tomatoes, onions and garlic, oregano, thyme, really good herbs. We incorporate all these things into a pot, and they meld. They marry, they come together. We're using Two Brooks Farm rice, a really nice operation out in Sumner, Mississippi. It's a nice complement to that stew to just be able to put that on top. Going back to what my grandmother taught me, good ingredients makes good food. And that's why, we chose to do this dish to highlight these Mississippi artisans.
When you make it with care and love, and it just, warms your heart. And that's why I made this dish.
Being a boy from Tennessee, I always heard bad things about Mississippi, especially from my family, because that's where we originated from. And they kind of remember more of, the struggles and, the turmoil and the hard times, especially during the periods where they were coming up. So I always had this kind of negative outlook on it. But, once I immersed myself and became a part of, my local community in Oxford, and then decided to, explore and go out and see other parts of Mississippi, it really became home in a place that, I hold very dear to my heart.
Mississippi is very regional. For me, it's like very reminiscent of Italy. You have northern, you have southern, you have the middle, and each part of the state lends its own thing to the collective, Mississippi thing. And for me, Mississippi cuisine is wonderful and beautiful and eclectic because most of this food comes out of displacement, struggle, hardship, being displaced and being somewhere you don't want to be, but making the best out of nothing. Chickens are great, and if you prepare them well, they're fantastic. Getting off parts and cuts and turning them into a beautiful stew or just a composed dish really shows the resiliency of people who have struggled. And for me, I think the love put into that, based off of the negative connotation it came from, really balances everything out and gives people a different perspective on, what you can do with a little. And that's what I try to do every day.